back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a secure password for Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. To create a secure passcode for your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, follow these steps. Consider using Password Manager to generate and store your passcode securely. This helps you create a strong password without having to remember them all. Second is length and complexity. Aim for password that is at least 12 or 16 character long. Longer passcodes are generally more secure. Include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, number and special characters like @ hashtag, exclamation mark. Avoid using common password. The easily guessable information such as your name, birth date are common phrases. You can also avoid sequential character like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and keyboard pattern. Consider creating a passphrase which is a sequence of random word or a sentence that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You can also use random combination of letters, number and symbols. Ensure that the password you create for your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is unique and not used for any other accounts. Make it a habit to change the passcode periodically and immediately after any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can create secure passcode for your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet and help protect your asset. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.